If you live at a multifamily project, an apartment complex, and you're a tenant, here's what you can expect if Rhoden Roofing is working on your project. You can expect to be over-communicated to. So that's our biggest thing, is we want to over-communicate to you. We want to let you know well in advance of when we're going to be doing your building. Because when we're doing your building, we're going to provide some instructions. For example, we probably don't want your car parked out in front of the building during construction. We're going to have large equipment moving around, dump trailers, telehandlers, equipters. We don't want to have a narrow bottleneck to try to move those to damage your car. We're going to tell you when we're going to start, when we plan on finishing every day, so you can kind of expect what to do. So it's over communication. You know, it's letting you know we're setting up caution tape and safety lines all over the place. And we have a on-site field production manager. And so if you're going from your car to your building, you know, we always instruct them, hey, just help them out with their groceries, whatever it might be, so they can help you get in and out of that job site safely and make the least amount of trips. We're here to make this painless as a process as it can be, because it is a big construction process, but we want to make it easy for you, the tenant. You know, if you're a tenant at a multifamily project, an apartment complex, whatever it might be, and Rhoden Roofing is doing your project, our field production managers will give you their cards. You can call them. You can call your property manager. We're going to be in constant communication. We're on site. We're not jumping all over the place. We're concentrated on your project, your safety, so that, you know, we're not going to have any mishaps. We're trying to be proactive versus reactive. So feel free to call the office. Call the field production manager if they gave you their card. Call the project manager if they gave you their card. Talk to the property manager on site. We're in constant communication. If you contact somebody and you have an issue, we're going to get it solved.